What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm just going to show you some of the drivetrain components in a four-wheel drive truck. Most trucks this is going to be similar on all vehicles, and a lot of people don't know the specific names for each component, so I'm going to show you them on this vehicle. So the engine obviously is right here. Most people will understand that. The oil pan is right here, so that's part of the engine. Now what people get confused is this is called the front differential. A lot of people will call this a transfer case, which that's not true. This is the differential. What happens is power comes from the transfer case through a drive shaft into the front differential and goes out to the wheels when you're in four-wheel drive or if you have an all-wheel drive truck. Next, back here we have the transmission. This is an automatic transmission. A lot of times if you see a pan like this, then it's an automatic transmission. Most manual transmissions don't have an oil pan like that. Further back, we have the transfer case. This is what transfers the power to the back of the vehicle, but also to the front when you're in four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. And that's through the drive shaft. There's a drive shaft right here, and also a drive shaft right here. And this drive shaft goes to the rear differential. And that's where the power is supplied and then goes out to the rear wheels. Those are the main components in a four-wheel drive truck.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.